Hi, welcome back. It's Cheryl. Today I am doing a Halloween DIY. I picked up this little wooden sign from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be painting it. Also going to be trying out a new paint that I picked up from Walmart a couple of weeks ago. It's like a glitter paint and I want to see how that works, to see if maybe I want to try to use it on some Christmas DIYs. So I picked up this large bottle of just black acrylic paint from Walmart because I used the black and white more than any other kind of paint. So what I had on hand was drying up, so I picked up a new one. So what I'm going to be doing first on here, and I should have used a bigger brush because it took longer than I planned, I'm going to paint the entire sign black. I may not paint the pumpkin black, but we'll see. So keep watching if you want to see how this project turns out. Don't you wish you could really paint this fast? I could be knocking them out like on an assembly line, but I like the way it looks when it's coming together when you speed up the video. So hope everybody is doing well, and I appreciate those who continue to return to my channel and enjoying my DIYs. I'm going to be having some more Halloween DIYs coming up shortly. I'm trying to make a list of several of them to share with you probably in a couple weeks. Okay, so I'm just about done painting it black. Okay, as you can see, I already went ahead. I guess, yeah, I did paint the pumpkin black. I put a little coat of orange. I'm going to make it darker. And then I tried out the green glitter paint on the letter N just to see if I liked it before I went too far. So I'm kind of liking how it looks, and this is the paint. It was a little pricey. It was like $3.50, and I thought that was a lot for paint. But I wanted to try it, and I think it comes out nice. It's a little hard to work with. It's more like a glue and glitter than paint to me, anyway. So we're going to put some more of this glitter paint and a little bit more orange on the pumpkin, and we'll see how it turns out. So you're going to see how thick this paint is. Yeah, it's fairly thick. See? So we're going to put this on. I thought I was only going to put it on the word Halloween, but then it was looking kind of different. So I ended up putting it on the entire sign, all except for the bats and the pumpkin. So let's get this glitter paint on there. It would be awesome if it was also glow in the dark. I do have some orange glow-in-the-dark paint that I used sometimes on my projects. But yeah, keep watching my Halloween DIY series. You never know. I may have a giveaway. May have a hidden giveaway. And all you would have to do is be subscribed to my channel. So getting the rest of this on here. And we're just about done. I see a couple little spots. There you go. So that's how it turned out. I'm putting a little bit more orange on here. There you go, guys. That's the end product. I hope you enjoy it. I did go around the pumpkin with a little bit of orange glitter that I had. I had this little thing of crazy art someone gave me, and I think that could be found in the Dollar Tree, and it really works. I was surprised. So this is the sign. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and let me know what you think of this one, and come back. I have another one coming up.